Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your DELL Chromebook 3400 is freezing. So in case it's some particular application that is freezing your device, for example, let's pretend that it's this YouTube application that is causing the device to freeze, we can use the shortcut of search and escape buttons to open the task manager, and then you'll be able to quickly get rid and force shut down this application by simply finding it here on the list and selecting end task, and this will close the problematic application for you and will let you use your device after that. Now if this doesn't help you and your device is completely frozen, then you're gonna have to force restart it by holding down the power button until the screen of your device goes off. Then you can also check the power indicator on the left edge of your device. When it goes off, short press your power button once again and let your device restart. And if you weren't able to turn off your device by holding down the power button, then the only solution to this issue is unplugging your device from the charging cable and leaving it like this until it goes off. You can also try closing and opening the lid of your device, as it may support auto sleep on closing lid. And that's pretty much what you can do in such case. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.